Good morning, students. This is History Standard 7th. See, we have already finished the first lesson, that is Medieval Europe, Rise and Spread of Christianity. Here, I would like to tell you to read the lesson and prepare clearly. Write the subtopics separately in your own words as a short paragraph and learn the word meanings. Okay? So, you see the book, how to prepare. First one is, it is given about what is medieval period and medieval Europe. Make a short paragraph for this. Then Christianity separately. Then early life of Jesus Christ. Then the next, teachings of Jesus Christ. Then the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. Then Christianity spreads or spread of Christianity. Then the decline of the Roman Empire. Then the Crusades. And the last one is the monasteries and their impact. Okay, to all these subtopics you have to prepare separately in your own words. First you have to read, then what you understood you have to write in your own words. Then you have to learn the word meanings also, and for this word meaning also you have to write in your notebook. Okay, if you learn all these things, all these subtopics separately, then it will help you in find out all types of question answers. Okay, so here we will finish the discussion about lesson 1, and now we will move to lesson 2, rise and spread of Islam. What is rise and spread of Islam? So Islam, do you know what is Islam? See, Islam is a religion founded and spread by Prophet Muhammad. Islam means total surrender to God. You know, in the medieval period, Christianity arose, spread all over the world and became a dominant religion in the world. In this period or in this medieval period, another religion, that is Islam, arose in Arabia and spread its new faith across many continents. Islam brought a great impact or changes on India, Indian culture, and mixed up Hindu and Muslim culture. So now we will go to the topic how this religion Islam arose in Arabia and spread to different parts of the world. See, this Islam religion was founded and spread by Prophet Muhammad. He was from Arabia in West Asia. Arabia was a small region where there was no powerful kingdom or dynasty to rule. Nomadic tribes were living there, and they were always fighting with each other, and they were following different religions. In this situation, or in this period or in this time, Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca in the year 570 CE. Now we will see the early life of Prophet Muhammad. See, he was an orphan child and he was also known as a posthumous child. Posthumous means before his birth, his father died. So he was brought up under the guardianship of his uncle. He was helping his uncle in his trade and often traveled to many places. During his travels, he met many Christians and Jews and learnt their religious ideas. Later on, he gave up his profession and was attracted to religion. Time passed by, and one day Muhammad saw a vision that said that he was God's messenger or a prophet who was to spread God's divine message to the people. At that time, he was 40 years of age. He said that there is no God except Allah, who is all powerful, all wise and all merciful, and that he means Muhammad was the prophet of Allah. You know, prophet means messenger of God. Okay, so see, those who accepted this were called Muslims and the religion was called Islam. So Islam means submission or total surrender of oneself to Allah, and the holy book of Islam is Quran. So what is Islam? Islam means the religion. The religion what is spread and founded by Prophet Muhammad, and the people, those who accepted and followed this faith, they are the Muslims. Okay, and their holy book or holy text is Quran. So today we'll read this much only, and the rest part of this lesson we'll read in our next video. Okay, thank you very much.